How to download Minecraft on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to quickly download Minecraft on your PC. So let's jump right into it. First thing first, open up your web browser and here you're just going to search for Minecraft download. So go ahead and search for Minecraft download, hit enter. Now you're just going to open the first link that you see, which is minecraft.net. And once you open up this link, you'll have different options. So the first thing you need to do is download launcher for your Windows, or if you are on a different device, you can download for Windows Legacy Launcher, or you can download a launcher for Mac OS as well. You also have an option to download Microsoft Java and Bedrock Edition on your mobile device. This one is for Android and iOS. And you can also download this version for your Linux distribution. So I'm just going to go ahead and download the launcher on my PC. It won't take much long. So once the installer is done downloading, you're just going to go ahead and open it up. And it will ask you for your permissions. So you'll just have to allow it. Now just click on I have read all terms and conditions. Then tap on install. Now wait for a bit. Wait for the installer to completely download. Now once your launcher is downloaded, you can just go ahead and tap on Let's Go. As you can see, it's ready to go. So it will launch you. The launcher will open up and wait for you. You just have to log in with your sign in. You can just enter your Xbox account right here and launch the game when it's ready to play. So from here, you can just go ahead and manage your subscription on your Xbox. And if you already have it on your Xbox account, you can just continue with it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.